Hi, today I will continue to make metal frame for my Anet A6. This project is made for fun only, do not attempt to recreate, it is done by an amateur. This is not an instructional video, use common sense. In the previous part I've cut all the pieces and pre-drilled the holes. Now it's time to drill holes to the correct size and start taping the frame with M3 tap. I started by tapping my main frame part. As you can see, at that time I did not have a proper tool for holding my tap, so I used a wrench and a lock pliers. It is obviously a bad idea, but I was hoping for the best and was prepared for the worst. And obviously the worst happened. The tap snapped. If you have never break a tap, you don't really know the life. Because at that point I have no other tap, I just switched to drilling all the holes, which is quite an easy and time-consuming task. And finally I've countersinked all the holes and then managed to remove the broken tap, which wasn't too hard. In fact, I just used some hammer in the end and it worked perfectly. It was quite boring and a long process, and it all took me about 2 hours. In the next video I will cut the 30-30 profile to the length and tap all the 32 holes. The biggest challenge will be to cut the profiles perfectly square and to the same length. Then my frame will be ready and I can start to reassemble my Anet A6. Subscribe and you will see if it works. As usually, it is really important to use the proper tool for the job to make the job easier and safer, so keep that in mind, please. Here are 2 videos prepared just for you, so you can watch them now. In the meantime, you can like this video so my frame will be square and leave a comment, or you will break a tap too.